Hello and welcome on my channel. Today I discuss about the secret techniques to get score in matching headings. The first is short paragraphs. Most of the students can't find right answers in matching headings. Here I would like to share the best trick. As you know, there is a long list of headings as well as paragraphs. So you start to find the answers with short paragraphs instead of finding the answers of long paragraphs. By using this trick, you have left only few long paragraphs that are easy for you to solve them at the end. It also saves your time and helpful in choosing the correct answer easily. The second tip is that information in paragraph. All paragraph in matching headings contain different information, but it is the trap that every paragraph looks similar. That's why most of the students waste their time to find the right heading, even they choose wrong heading. The solution is that analyze the every paragraph that what they say. Generally, all paragraphs contain information such as problem, solution, effects, benefits, and others. For example, if any paragraph tell you about the reasons, then you easily choose the right heading from the heading list according to the reasons. The next tip, first paragraph. You always read first paragraph because it provides you direction as it contains the overview of the all passages. So before starting the answering, you read this carefully. Paraphrasing and keywords in matching headings. The big trap in matching heading is that all paragraph and heading have similar words which create confusion for students. Most of the students scan the paragraph and find wrong answers. So always pay attention on keywords as well as paraphrasing. Before the real exam, practice of reading a lot and learn how to recognize the paraphrasing and keywords instead of matching the words, because you find wrong answer if you match only words in passages or matching head list. The last tip is making own headings. You must make your own headings after reading the paragraphs. It would be helpful in finding the answers easily and also save the time. When you read the all paragraph, you give the name of that paragraph according to, because it gives you provide direction for finding the correct answer. I hope these tips and tricks are very helpful for your reading test. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for my new videos and leave a comment in the comment section about my video.